it is your girl Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a few weeks, guys. I know it's been a few weeks. You guys have missed me. I know it. Today's video is basically it's going to be a full-on video of no talking. It's been a minute since I've done something like this. But I miss my non-talking video, so I'm like, today is gonna be that day. So I think I'm just gonna do a cute little look, a first impressions for a foundation. It's been sitting, literally sitting in my stuff for months and months and months. So I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and try this foundation out, as well as a couple of other products. I will let you know if this is a newer product for myself. I'll definitely put some sort of notation there. And yeah, I already primed my face with this Milani Prime Shield. Now, you guys, this is not my normal primer. I love the Rimmel London Matte Primer. That's my favorite, but I just ran out. This is what I had. It's silicone based, so it's probably not your favorite. It wouldn't be your favorite if you are oily like me. So my face looks super greasy right now, but it's okay. We're gonna work with her. We're gonna see, you know, how she hangs on my face. So with that being said, stick around if you guys want to see what kind of crazy look your girl is gonna come up with today. Okay guys, I know this is supposed to be a non-talking video, and I know I'm using a different primer, but this says lightweight full coverage makeup. This formula hydrates and includes a complex of SPF 20 vitamins and an antioxidant, oil free. And this is the COVERGIRL VITALIST Healthy Elixir foundation with vitamins, broad spectrum, SPF 20, and I guess this is in the shade 775, I'm guessing. Oh no, soft sable. I feel like this doesn't really look like a full coverage foundation. Just in my opinion, I've had other foundations that are more full coverage than this. Okay, back to no talking. Hey guys, so I am back. I wanted to go ahead and just go over, you know, this foundation first of all. This is, like I said, this is the COVERGIRL Revitalist Healthy Elixir. It's okay for now, but what I will say that I don't think this is full coverage. I know it says it's buildable and everything like that, but I felt like it took me too long, like 3 whole pumps plus, to build it up to the way that I like my foundation to look. So I don't know, I will probably end up mixing this with a different, like, super powerful foundation, maybe like a Estee Lauder, to like help it out or something. But I don't think that I will wear this alone again whatsoever. I don't think so. And so for the lips, I'm gonna go in with Colored Rain in the shade, what is this? Yeah, Spike Punch. And I'm living for these pressed glitters. You guys, I love this one. But I'm living for the pressed glitter by Beauty Glaze. You guys, as you guys can see, that it's really nice, you know? Really, really nice pressed glitters. I like it a lot. You know, and I think they were $10.99 on Amazon, so I think that's a steal. So this Scandinavia set, and I don't know if I'm saying it right, Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. I've seen this forever and I was like, yes, I have to get it. It's a fine mist. Got it from Amazon. This is 8 full ounces, so it's a big bottle. And I was playing around with the Milani setting spray and I loved it, but it was just so little, you know? So I was like, I have to start getting bigger bottles because I'm so tired of running out of setting spray. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hit up my face. Let's see how this does. So, but it says you're supposed to go like this. X and a T.